Morning. Johanna finally here. Right. Sorry about the delay today. Trying to get the camera right so you can at least see me a bit and the table. Unfortunately, yes, you can see the car in the background as well, but never mind. It's a lovely sunny day and I just did not want to be inside. So today I wanted to show you the new fluorite that's arrived. Fluorite, as we said the other week, is very good for stress, anxiety and depression. And it's also very good for meditating, for people who are learning or coming into meditation for the first time. If you have a crystal, a fluorite crystal with you, it helps keep you a lot calmer. Now, personally, when I first started meditating, and even now occasionally if I haven't meditated for a long time, I can get like an irritated feeling in my solar plexus, in my stomach, and it really can get to the point where I'm like, whoa, oof, you know, I just don't want to be doing this. But you get past that point and it's nothing other than your body going, ooh, I don't like this. You know, I don't want to be this calm. I don't want to stop my thoughts. So you just need to push on past that and you'll soon get into a nice flow of sitting or lying down and getting straight into the meditation. Now, I've had a lot of trouble photographing these. I'm going to bring it, oops, oh, right, hold on. I can't see anything there myself now. Yeah, there we go. I've had a lot of trouble photographing these fluorites, just for the simple reason that they are very, very reflective. Just move that. They are, once again, it is just like looking down into the sea. Now, I'm going to say something that I'm quite sure a few people... Hi Jill, thanks for joining me. Ooh, really looking forward to next Saturday. They are incredible. They do have that beautiful, I call it Mediterranean look. Now, the thing you might not like is these are actually from the Hunan province in China. They have found a massive deposit of this magnificent fluorite, and I'm also looking to get some of the natural fluorite at some point as well. You know, as I say, natural as in not uncut, so it's in its natural form. So here we have another one that has purple through it as well. It's not quite rainbow, it's more purple, blue and white, and this one has like a little natural hole in it. It's really pretty. So you can imagine, even if you just sit and hold one of these, it's very relaxing. It gives you very much the impression of, you know, you look into it, and to me it reminds me very much of the beach in Ayanaba in back home in Cyprus, where the sand is actually yellow, that side of the island, but the other side of the island it's volcanic, it's black, so it's a completely different type of sand, and you get this lovely paleness, and then when you look further out you get the deeper blues and the turquoises. This one here is, again, they're very, very refractive. They refract the light a lot, and this is why it's been a massive job trying, and I say trying, to capture them on photograph. This one has quite a lot of purple flowing through it, and there are rainbows in there, refractory rainbows as well. And here again, this one, when you look at it, it's very much as if you're looking into the sea at rocks. So you're looking through the water at rocks. I hope you can actually see them on here and see their splendour. And this one, oops, kicking my glasses there. This one is literally like looking through several layers of the sea. So you have the sandiness, you can have the clearer part, and then you have sort of like the seaweed parts there, and then the deep turquoise of the Mediterranean. So yeah, fluorite is a wonderful stone to be working with, and meditation is a good way to connect with your crystals, because it helps bring, well, it doesn't help bring in their energy, but because you're in a calmer state, it brings in their energy a lot more, and you can be more influenced and more calmed by them. Now here I have some purple. I don't know if that's going to show. I can't see if it's showing properly, but this one actually has a blue tip, and I have been trying to catch that on camera. I would say rather unsuccessfully. You can see it, there's something there, but you can't see it as well as you can in the actual stone when you hold it. So here again, once again, you have these beautiful sparkly bits where the light refracts from the crystal and its various layers inside. And last but not least, we have this purple one. Now, purple fluorite is actually very good for connecting with Archangel Michael, and it brings in a lot of cord cutting, but it cuts cords more to fears and things, as opposed to cutting cords with energy cords with people. But you can still attune your fluorites to do that, to help you in that. So those are the new guys for this week. I've also decided to put out my selenite charging plates. These are £12 each. The fluorites have not yet been priced up. They've been weighed, tried to photograph them. They only turned up yesterday, so I've been having fun with those. And with the selenite plates, we have a various sticker, Flower of Life, Star of David, or the pentagram, another Flower of Life, and the Merkaba type. Right, okay, so a look at, let's bring this back around to me a little bit more. Oops. Whoop. There we go. Ugh, got the car there. Don't like that. Right, so we will be on live on Wednesday. The session will be about crystals and their form and what it means to have them in your collection or to be working with them. And next Saturday, I'm going to be, well, hopefully it will be confirmed. I'll be at Tynemouth Market with the whole collection, and yes, there are more on the way. So keep an eye out on the page to see what's happening. And I have managed to photograph the remainder of the crystals, so over the coming days more and more is going to appear on the website. So for anyone who lives in the area, if you don't want to buy, you know, via the internet, you could always give me a call and we can arrange for you to come round to view the crystals, to see them. Otherwise, you know, I'll look forward to seeing anyone and everyone at Tynemouth Market next week. So with that, I will leave you on this glorious sunny Saturday, and I hope that you all enjoy a lovely weekend. Take care. Love and light to you all. Bye for now.